Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making some fun, cute Christmas cards using the With You in Mind stamp set. The, what is this called? Christmas Tags and More Mix and Match Specialty Designer Series paper. This is a 6x6. I didn't cut it down. And the Greetings for You Mix and Match Ephemera pack, okay? So these are the items we're going to be using. And before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our watercolor in Bloom paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards with botanical flourishes. Night of Navy is going to be the stamping spot. And we have the Abundant Joy add-on dies for $12 that coordinates with October, November, December paper pumpkin kits. And I have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save your rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. And those rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's go ahead and get started. And let me tell you more about what we're doing. We're going to be making 3x3 cards. These are going to be Christmas cards. I have a 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 piece of basic white here that we're going to stamp for our inside. I have garden green and the sentiment thank you from our stamp set. And I'm just going to stamp this right here in the center, just like that. That is the only stamping we're doing. So I am making thank you Christmas cards for a cruise that I will be taking. So I have a base here of basic white that is 6x3 scored at 3. Then I have a piece of basic red, real red, that is 2 1/4, that is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and that means this is 2 1/2. Yeah, this is 2 1/2. We're going to go ahead and put this on the inside of our card base. So I think I'm making 9 of these cards, and they're all different. And we're going to put them together. So I might... I love this paper. I was like, did I choose to cover this candy cane up? It's so pretty. And then I have candy canes as what I'm going to use on here. So we're just going to put this designer series paper down. It is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. Try to get yours more even than I just got that. Then we have this little banner here as part of the designer series paper pack, and it's part of what makes it a specialty because it has 4 sheets, 2 of each different designs of the die cuts. I was trying to think if I wanted to pop this up or not, but I think I'm just gonna do it like that. And then these ephemera, the greetings for you, are stickers. So we're just gonna remove the backing. Whoop, I tore that one. Remove the backing. And we're gonna, oh, I probably didn't put that where I wanted it. I'm gonna put our sentiment right there, just like that. And that is one of the cards done. So we're gonna make all of these cards today. So this video might be a little longer, but I've already done most of the work. So this one, I'm gonna do a top fold. And this is the front, and we are gonna just add this on about right there. Oh, forgot this is a sticker. So these are quick and easy to do. So we're taking a cruise for my husband's 50th birthday to celebrate, and I like to give my room steward and our wait staff tips, but I don't like just handing money. So I make these little thank you cards to put the money inside. And I will leave one like in my room for my room steward every day. So that's the second one. Oh, I'm dumping out my pieces. I have them all separated. Okay. So this is going to be another top fold. And we're going to put this, we're going to put this right up here. I tried to use different pieces of the designer series paper for the backing of the card. I'll put this one about right there. Put this on it just like that. And where did I have this joy? I think I had this over that right there. Maybe I had the joy there. Okay. So let me get my silicone craft sheet so I can put a little bit of glue on the back of this very thin ribbon. I probably could have used a glue dot, but our glue dots are probably even too big for this. So I'm gonna just get my take your pick tool, get all the little webs out of there. Ooh. And we're gonna put this on right up there. Take the backing off of our sticker here. I wonder if this will help me so I won't have to bend the sentiment. Should I put it? Yeah, I think I'll do it right there. Just like that. So that's that one done. And I'm contemplating on whether I want to add some bling to these cards. Okay, so here's another top fold. And this one, we're going to put this banner all the way to the side. Let's put our little stocking on and our sentiment. Again, we're going to peel and stick. Make sure you're just peeling the sticker part up because I was about to rip the backing off of that. Just like that. Merry and bright. Okay, next. This one is just simply adding a sticker. See how simple? This one, the DSP is doing most of the work. I have a little hair sticking on that one. So we're going to put our Merry Christmas, or Happy Christmas it says, right across here. Right across there. Let's get another one. Okay, this one is a side fold. And we're going to add some tape on the back of both of these pieces. And I want to put this out right there on our bird. I'll put that on there like that. Make sure I have this right. Get our sentiment. And we're going to put that right down here in this empty white space. Just like that. This is so cute. Okay, we have a couple of more to go. Like I said, I was like, I need some cards. And since it's going to be in December, why not make them Christmas cards that say thank you? So I can say Merry Christmas and thank you all at the same time. So let's put this about right here. I'm going to put this one on. Where's this one? This one can go right there. Get our sentiment. And I love that the sentiments, they're on white, embossed in gold. And they're all the same sentiments, but in different, like this says Happy Christmas, Happy Christmas. We have a long, thin Happy Christmas. I like that. So you don't have to get stuck with the same shape over and over. Happy Christmas. Okay. 2 more to go. This one is pretty simple as well. We just have one little piece, this poinsettia, then our sentiment. "'Tis the season." Just like that. Okay, and then our last one here, we are going to take our joy. We're going to put this in the middle of our wreath. Now again, all these elements came from the Designer Series paper pack, and then the Greetings Ephemera, the Greetings for You Ephemera pack. So we're going to put that there. Bring back our silicone craft sheet. Get in here. We're going to put this bow down here. I'm trying to get this glue right down at the bottom and it's not going. Make sure I have this going the correct way. And just like that, those are all done. So here are the 9 Christmas thank you cards using the Christmas tags and more and the Greetings for You Ephemera pack from the Mix and Match section of our annual catalog. Is it the annual catalog? Let me see. No, this is the September to December mini catalog. And then I also decorated the envelopes, the 3x3 envelopes. So I just put a little Designer Series paper on the flaps. Okay, so that's it, you guys. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.